Changes in the environment. Changes in the environment affect all living things, including humans. Examples of effect of changes in natural environment. If we dump our waste into the rivers and the sea, the waters become polluted. This will cause lack of clean water supply for us and the death of the animals and plants living in the rivers and the sea. If we cut off trees without planting new ones, the environment will change. For example, the climate may change. Some of the wild animals will become extinct and there will be drought. How can we preserve and restore our environment? In order to preserve and restore our environment, we should practice the 4 R's: reuse, recycle, repair, and reject. Reuse. Some things such as glass bottles and plastic bags that have been used can be used again. Recycle. Some things such as paper and wood can be reproduced into new products. Repair. Some things such as clothes and toys can be repaired when damaged and used. Reject or refuse. Some things such as certain chemicals should not be used at all as they cause damage to the environment. We should always throw our garbage into bins and sort our garbage before dumping it. We should also save energy as well as other resources. Turn off the lights when you do not need them. We should also plant trees in order to replace those that have been cut down. All of these ways aim towards the preservation and restoration of our environment. Self-check. Identify if the statement is true or false. Number 1. We should sort our garbage before putting it into the proper bins. Number 2. We should use foam boxes to keep our food. Number 3. We should turn off the lights when we do not need them. Number 4. We should reuse plastic bags. Number 5. We should dispose of our wastewater into the rivers. Number 6. We should mend our torn clothes and go on using them. Number 7. We should keep our television turned on all the time.